In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks Self-Employed with ease. Whether you're a freelancer, self-employed, or running a small business, managing your finances can be a bit overwhelming. But don't worry, I'll guide you step by step through the process, ensuring you have a clear understanding of each element involved. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to begin by logging into your QuickBooks Self-Employed account. Once you're securely in, the first thing you'll tackle is categorizing your transactions. Head on over to the Transactions section. This is where you'll see all of your financial activities lined up. It's crucial to mark each transaction accurately as either business or personal. This categorization helps keep your records clean and ensures you're only accounting for your business expenses, which is essential for tax deductions and overall clarity in your finances. Now, let's talk about adding receipts. This step is optional, but it's a powerful tool for maintaining accuracy. You can upload your receipts directly into the system. If you're on the go, simply use your phone to snap photos of your receipts and attach them to the relevant expenses. This not only keeps things organized, but also supports your claims come tax time. Remember, when in doubt, it's better to have more documentation than less. Next, if you use your vehicle for business purposes, you'll want to track your mileage. Navigate to the mileage section within QuickBooks Self-Employed. This feature allows you to log each trip, ensuring you're capturing those valuable deductions. Whether it's a client meeting or a quick errand for your business, every mile counts. Make it a habit to log your miles regularly to avoid last-minute scrambling. Once you have your transactions and mileage sorted, head over to the Taxes section. Here you'll find the tax checklist, a handy tool to guide you through all required tasks. It's important to complete everything, from reviewing your income and expenses to checking your deductions. Being thorough here will help you during tax season and ensure you're maximizing any potential refunds or minimizations of tax liability. Before we wrap up, it's vital to review your profit and loss statement along with the tax summary. These documents provide a snapshot of your business's financial health and should always be reviewed for accuracy. Any discrepancies can be addressed before the end of the fiscal year, avoiding complications down the road. And there you have it. Following these steps will help you maintain accurate and organized financial records in QuickBooks Self-Employed. Being proactive and thorough not only saves you time but also provides peace of mind knowing your finances are in order. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.